I'm here to guide you step by step on how to upload your thumbnail on your YouTube channel. I know by now you must have built your thumbnail. Yes, click on the video at the end of this so that you can watch and learn how you can build a good thumbnail. So if you are ready, let's go.
To upload your thumbnail on your channel, follow this procedure. You must first install YouTube Studio application on your phone. Go to your Play Store and type YouTube Studio. Open it. In my own, they write open because I have already installed this app. If you haven't installed it, you will see install. Tap install and install it. After installation, tap on open. This is my YouTube Studio. Go to down and tap on contents. These are the contents I have so far uploaded on YouTube. Let's take this one as the one I want to upload, the thumbnail. I will select it. At the top, you will see a pen icon. It's for editing. Tap on it. At the top left, you will see another editing icon. Tap on it. The option is there. They ask me to change. Why they ask for change is I have already uploaded a thumbnail. I have option to change this thumbnail from here. If I tap change, here will take me to my gallery where I will pick a thumbnail to change it with. But as you are about to upload your thumbnail, you will see here custom thumbnail or random. Custom means that you have verified your phone number with YouTube. But if you are still a new YouTuber and you haven't verified your phone number, you will see random, which means you will tap on any of these YouTube selected thumbnail and use it. Let's proceed with our teaching. When I tap change, my files will be open to choose the particular thumbnail I want to use. Tap done. Tap on save. It will be saved automatically. Before you can upload a thumbnail, you must have built one. To know how to build a thumbnail, visit my channel, the description. I will put the link there to teach you how to build a thumbnail.